Traffic, Tower 527 Delta, just a heads up, 5839er is currently on with Metro Tower, but looks like they're entering the pattern. I don't know if they have an emergency, but just give them space if able.
And which aircraft was that for?
5839er, looks like they're heading in behind 49er Echo, but they're currently talking to Metro Tower.
Roger, okay. This is 547 November Delta, we're turning our left base for 29 quickly then, giving them some room.
49er Echo, I see him behind me. I'll try to get him space.
Did you guys still have him on your guys' transponder? I lost him. I lost him as well. Hey, I'm this 547 November Delta, we're on final for 29. We're going to offset to the right because it looked like he was going towards 11.
My traffic demands 4 Echo, left base 29er Longmont. Looking for the aircraft on Metro.
I think I see a plane in the field, possibly about a mile or a half mile off of the coast of 29. Sorry. Yeah, they're definitely in the field. 546 November Delta. This is 547 November Delta. I'm gonna just switch over to Metro Tower and see if they're looking for a confirmation real quick. We're turning left down one now. It looks like they're all good though. Yeah, they do. Traffic taxi, 102 is about 3 miles to the north. We're entering a crosswind for runway 29. We're looking for that traffic that was in the field, so it's one of our points.
We have the plane in the field, strike us on the runway, and then...
Picture departing runway 29, straight out Longmont.
And 92 Delta Victor, 810 Kilo. We're going to stay high at 66 and deep into left crosswind for 29. We're going to try to contact Tower if anybody hasn't done so for that point in the field. I already contacted Tower. They're sending fire out time now. Beautiful. Yeah, we have you in sight. Are you guys turning? Yeah, you're turning crosswind now. We'll turn down one after you.
Copy, I'll be climbing up pretty fast here. Let's get out of your way.
All right, we'll turn a little bit more to the west now for you.
Longmont traffic, it's the King Air. Was there an airplane that landed in the field?
Affirmative.
All right, ATC is asking its location if I can pass it on.
Location from, this isn't them. This 547 November Delta, we're in the pattern. They're off the, I don't know what highway that is off the 29 departure, but they're a half mile southwest probably of the departure into 29.
Copy.
According to our company, she's okay. She's landed in the field and she's texted her instructor that she's okay from 0 Kilo Kilo. We're short final 29 landing to go check on her.
Longmont Campus, Center Hotel Delta is on the west crosswind runway 29, Longmont. We'll also keep an eye out.
That should be 75th Street, they're near.
Longmont traffic, Skygate 102 Kilo. We're going to get off Alpha 3 and go down again the runway, see if we can go see cross the runway after the departure.
Does anyone have any additional information on that aircraft that was walking in the emergency?
Yeah, she's okay. She's about a mile and a half southwest of the field. We're going to check on her right now for whoever that was.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.